I need water. I need water. I got water. Seatbelt. Check. Check. The boy's got his 95 Mitsubishi truck that he bought, his first vehicle. He's 16, named Grayson. Look at him go. Sharp looking truck. We're going to go to Creed Transmission and let them troubleshoot the old air conditioning system. We charged it. It's in the green. The compressor's turning, but it could be bad. 3 different things it could be, from what Google tells us. But they got a machine that they can test it and let us know what needs to be replaced. And they're the best transmission rebuilders around. Very honest people. Creed Transmission. You get to check their shop out here in a minute. Oh, need cotton balls for my ears. Mitsubishi. Hard to say, easy to buy. Well, I see a white light. I've got a mic working. Dink donk, dink donk, dink donk, dink donk. Right turn. Hey neighbor. Easy, frog. We're not going to a car show yet. Maybe Friday night. Hot Nights, Hot Cars, Pilot Mountain is having one August the 1st, Friday night, 5 to 9 p.m. I think it's a truck show, but I'm sure they won't kick you out if you show up on your moped or a hot rod. Oh yeah. Suspension activated. What was that? The old Beaver Creek Golf Course, which now is some kind of hunting lodge. Bird hunting? I don't know. It's the new thing, you know. We used to have tobacco fields all through here, and now there's vineyards. They got grapes. Right there to the right, the old golf course. They mow it all the time. Our neighbor worked there mowing all the grass, doing maintenance. Here's a dip. Oh, that cover has sunk in over the years. I love this truck. I did clear coat one back panel. I'll show that to you when we get here to Creed Transmission. It's so good. This truck's so good. I only paint one panel at a time. Can't afford to paint the thing all at once, you know. And paint, by paint, I mean just clear coat, you know. Oh, he's going. He's going. Second owner. We're the third. For real. The people had it 5 years that we bought it from. Put 30,000 miles on it. And a bunch of parts. It's even got Cooper Coopers. Good tires. I'm so proud of my boy. Alright. Taking a right here. hard-working people right here. They may have air conditioning in their shop. I do not recall. Seatbelt off, Captain. They'll come tow you and all. Look at that. Look at that yard they got back there. Right there. Look at them go. I drink water. Oh, they got a cop car. Here's the office. We know they got air conditioning in there, right? There's the hours. Look, how convenient. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Oh my goodness, I think I can. Steady cam off. Oh, so there is what it looks like with no clear coat. And then here, oh, the sun's not on it, but I guess it's okay. Can you see that? Not really. See, that's got a shine to it. Oh, there's some sunshine. See that rust? It's got clear coat on it. It's shiny. Yeah. I love it. Oh my goodness. The sun's not on this side, but it's okay. All right.